Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 Fire Weather Outlook. There is a critical fire weather risk area tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Colorado, far northeastern New Mexico, the Texas Panhandle, parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, as well as much of the state of Oklahoma, far southeastern Kansas, the very far extreme southwestern tip of Kansas as well, extreme southwestern Missouri, and extreme northwestern corner of Arkansas. Cities in the critical fire weather risk area tomorrow include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Amarillo, Texas, Norman, Oklahoma, and Lawton, Oklahoma. There is an elevated fire weather risk area tomorrow covering parts of west central and northwestern Texas, eastern New Mexico, parts of Colorado, southern Kansas, northern and southeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Missouri, and northwestern Arkansas for that elevated. So, anyway, in the southern plains, increasing west-southwest flow aloft ahead of another mid-level shortwave trough will overspread much of the southern plains Thursday. At the surface, low pressure steadily moves northeastward from Kansas into the lower Missouri Valley by late afternoon. Very dry westerly to northwesterly flow south-southwest of the low and south of an advancing cold front is expected across much of the southern plains. 20+ mile-per-hour west-northwesterly winds accompanying a very dry, well-mixed boundary layer yielding daytime relative humidity around 15% will support a corridor of critical fire weather conditions from southeastern Colorado, the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles, eastward into much of Oklahoma, and far southwestern Missouri. In addition, the initial cold front passage and associated north-northwest wind shift into northern Texas and Oklahoma could briefly impact active fires before cooler temperatures, lighter winds, and higher relative humidity move into the region Thursday night. Breezy and dry downslope flow with west winds of around 15 miles per hour and relative humidity of 15 to 20% will combine with dry fuels to promote an elevated fire weather threat across much of northwestern and far west Texas Thursday. So, that's your Day 2 fire weather outlook. Remain safe and vigilant in these areas tomorrow. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, flashlights, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because sometimes fire can start very quickly, and some of these areas already have fires ongoing, and there could be additional new fires, so just be aware of that. So, please avoid outdoor burning. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas tomorrow, especially with the fact that there's fires ongoing, and we want to attempt to, avert further disasters. So, do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, even if they're not lit, because 1, that's littering. 2, one little spark is all it takes for a fire to start and spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before you throw it away to avert further disasters. At least try to anyway. So, stay safe in these areas tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again tomorrow morning in tomorrow's Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook video. Take care.